Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unpause the Google Chrome sync on Google Chrome. So go here and go to the settings tab, which is here. Then go to privacy and security, go to third-party cookies, and disable the quit cookie thing. I don't have it because my Google Chrome is still in sync. And you're just going to do that. You're going to disable it. Then you're just going to log in again to your account on Google Chrome. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.